Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm doing a K-Cup cleaning and descaling kit review. I purchased this from my grocery store to clean my coffee cups. So this is what it comes with, and it properly maintains your K-Cup brewer. You basically just pour it inside, and then you fill it with water, to the regular line you would fill when you use coffee. And then you basically just brew it. You do it 3 times, and then you're basically done. This removes lime scale from the heating elements to ensure that it is brewing at the right temperature. The cleaning cup removes oily residue buildup from the brew chamber and exit needle, which, if left unclean, can cause bitter tasting coffee. So it said to use the highest cup level that you have. I have multiple ones on my current coffee maker. And the first time I did this, I forgot to take the coffee K cup out. So my when it actually was cleaning, it was brown. So, but after that, I removed it and then continue on. Very easy to do. I like this because, I don't have to use the vinegar. I don't have to deal with trying to get out the vinegar smell. Vinegar is still fine to do if you don't want to spend money on this, but this little thing was just a few dollars. So it's not much, and it's just an easier way to do it. So that's when I had the coffee, cup thingy. So this is the second time that I'm doing it. So basically, when you do it, it's pretty much comes out clean. Real easy task. Didn't take long. I chose to do this when I was doing other things in the house. So as it, you know, finished, I dumped the water, redid it again. So I multitask. I'm not just standing there waiting. You should maintain your K-cup brewer by descaling every 3 months or more if you live in an area with hard water. So ours is hard water. Cleaning cups can be used weekly or as needed when switching between sweetened beverages and coffee and tea. So after I did this, my coffee did seem like it tastes a lot fresher. I do plan to try to do this, more frequently. So now I'm using the cup thingy. It's the cleaning cup. So you place the cleaning cup in the brewer. You brew the largest size cup twice using the same cleaning cup. Remove cleaning cup from brewer and discard. Brew largest cup size of water twice to rinse. So this one is very soapy. So getting a good clean, I was satisfied with the results of this. Like, again, it's very easy to do. It's just two methods that you're taking to keep your coffee tasting great and your machine maintained. Anybody know anything about a current coffee maker? It's expensive, so you want to take care of it. And this one I got happened to be free because I sometimes test products. And want to see more information on that, I'll leave my information in the link of different survey companies that I, do surveys for. Sometimes you get a lot of great products. This was many years ago that I did this particular tester. So again, you do this twice, and then afterwards, you're gonna see me still basically cleaning. I did take out that little coffee K cup holder, and I did still clean it with soap and water. Also, there's granules around the area, the outside of when you lift a coffee maker to put your K cup in. There's still granules around there, so just take a paper towel, a soapy paper towel or wet paper towel, and I also clean that out because you can't get, this thing is not going to get the outside, so you still got to do that type of cleanup. So again, I was very happy with the process. It was very easy. I will leave a link of these online. The one that I got is called Urnex, Urnex. Again, it's a K-cup cleaning and descaling kit, and found it in my local grocery store. So I suggest you get it there, or you can just order it online. So here I am cleaning the outside with my paper towel and cleaning the bottom too. You'd be amazed at how much buildup comes. This particular thing did not take care of that build. It did not take care of that buildup, but it's just a easy, quick using a paper towel to clean it. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more how to and review videos.